Hello, Kelly here from Road Pursuit. Today we're working on the construction of a folio from one file folder. We're not going to be decorating it. I'm just simply showing you how to put this one together. So as we get started, we are taking our file folder. It doesn't really matter where your tab is on the end, so that's good. So you want to open it up flat and then simply take the side and fold it over. And I'm just going to use my ruler. You can use a bone folder or a ruler. It's totally up to you. And actually, okay. Alrighty. I think we're just gonna get rid of this piece because we don't need it. And thin her out a little bit so we don't get too thick. Okay, so take that one piece, we fold it over. I guess you could leave that piece on if you wanted to, but it's going to be extraneous, meaning it will have absolutely zero function. Okay, so let me just put this in here so you can kind of see where we're at with this. That red kind of blends into itself and you can't really see what's happening. Okay, so now essentially what we're going to do is fold this in thirds and like so. So it's a real loosey-goosey kind of a design. It's going to be sort of grungy. If you want to make it really exact, that's up to you, but that's not what I'm going for here. Okay, so we are going to get our glue. So we are ready to glue. Oh my goodness. My glue is, I guess that doesn't matter. I don't need to play with that right now. Okay, so I'm basically going to glue down and make 3 pockets. So I'm putting a line on this edge, a line down this crease, and a line down this crease, and a line down this edge. Okay, so we're going to fold that in and press down. So now, essentially, we have, let me just pull out a pocket, or a tag, I mean. So we're going to have this one, and this one. Well, that'll be perfect. Let me just get my circle punch. I'm going to use a smaller one. We'll get under there a little bit easier. That one did nothing. Sorry. Okay, under there, good. It seems like every one got a little bigger. All right, now we'll get our tag so you can see what we've got. So each one is like that. All right. So that is our basic design. And guess what? That's it. That's all there is to it. How easy is that? So if you want a really simple folio and you just want it to be basic, you can simply take some ribbon and tie it around there and you're good to go. So I don't happen to have any ribbon in my arm's reach at the moment. I think. Oh, I must. There must be a ribbon here somewhere. Do you need ribbon? Of course you do. Here's some ribbon. I guess it's like, what time of the year is it? It's like Easter. And apparently this couldn't be more Christmas looking, but I can just pull it in there. You'll get the idea. We're not doing a Christmas book, but that's apparently what I have out right now. So you can just fold it around and it's terrible. Okay. We're gonna do this right. We're gonna do it so it looks nice and not all fake like. Okay. If you want to know, this is gonna look decent, right? Am I right? Because it will look cute and so easy. And to be honest with you, you can add a couple pockets here and there or everywhere if you want, and that will be fantastic. And it'll all be great. There you go. A super easy folded folio you can simply tie around. How about that? Excellent. Okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later.